So her new favorite thing to do is throw this out of the crib and me throw it back. Harley! Excuse me!
I'm gonna eat your leg.
Copy of Us magazine. Can you believe it? Wish It, Want It, Do It got 3 stars. How hilarious is that?
It's not hilarious. It's great, Brian. It's a huge accomplishment.
Well, I helped get the review in.
She's trying so hard to snap.
Who usually just covers people with gross amounts of children, but now he's the book.
Baby, quiet. Baby, nighty! Me. Baby's awake. Baby asleep. Shh, good night, baby. Good night. The end. Again? Again?
Harley, is that your favorite book? Oh, is that your favorite?
Ready? Okay, come on. Okay, Mom. Come here. Let's do it again. Ready? Baby up. Baby down. Baby. Baby clean. Baby messy.
How cute is this coffee mug I just found at Walmart? I think it was like under $4. It's just a cauldron, right? And then it has a spider on the bottom. Here, you can probably see it better over here in the light. How cute is this? I also got this candle. This one was my favorite. I think they had like 4 different scents. This is the Fall Farmhouse. It smells really good. And then if you didn't want this design on the candle, they had ones that just had like a plain design, not with like a little bear and trees. But it's the same size as a Bath and Body Works candle, and I think it was like $5.88. And then I got my first fuzzy of the year. I picked out the olive one, so you can make it tighter down here. It is a 3/4 zip, and I think they had a baby blue one, a cream one, a black one, and a pink one. And then I wanted it to be a little oversized, so I got an extra large. But this was only 10 bucks. That's such a good deal. Hey, are you at the beach? Are you having a picnic? Huh? Harley.
With his tail. Most of our planet is covered in salt water. That's not the kind we drink. Some animals live on the shore and find food in the ocean. Look at that little kid singing for that bird. Ready? Yeah. Yep. At the surface, you may find animals peeking up who need air to breathe or even a place to sleep. The water is warmed by the sun. What's down there, that little baby says?
Good morning, guys. I just woke up. It is, well, it's 7:18. I've been up since 7. Is my background cool? Love it. Anyways, today I have a photo shoot. We're gonna be doing some cool editorial type beauty stuff. So I have to drive to Costa Mesa, which is Orange County basically. So I'm gonna do a black smoky eye. And then I'm just gonna bring some other makeup to switch it up throughout the shoot. And then I'm not gonna do a lip, obviously, because I have to sit in the car and I don't know what lip we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and then I'll check in with you guys after I'm done. And I'm just gonna do the same black smoky eye that I always do, and I do have a tutorial for it. I believe it's called like Sexy Smoky Eye or something like that. So I'll link that in my description box. I literally do the same technique, same products, same everything for my eyes every time I do this black smoky eye. So I'll definitely link that tutorial, and I'll see you guys here in a little bit. So I just got done with my makeup. Oh my gosh, it took me an hour and 30 minutes, but I would rather have like too much time than rush, especially with a smoky eye. And I feel like I tried to do my eyes first this time, and I'm not an eyes first person. Like, I have to do my face. So I feel like the corners right here are a little but I mean, if I keep messing with it, I'll be here for another hour and a half. So anyways, I just have to go do my hair. I'm just gonna put like a little bit of waves in it. Then I gotta get dressed and I gotta get on the road because it's 8:45 and I need to be out of here by like 9:15, 9:20 at the latest. So as soon as I get there, I'll check back in with you guys again. The other side, because I think the board is small. Yeah. I have this in the middle. So this is the background. This is this board. Perfect. I don't know yet if this is going to be sideways to her or like a little bit from the front. I know, we'll have to see. Because this is going to decide what color her face is going to be. And like on that one, her face is kind of three colors. Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, you can see a little bit of the. So what I can do, the other thing I can do is to have every. Okay. Bring it closer? Yeah, I think I can see me. I don't know. Yeah. There? Should I like tilt it down a little bit? Yeah, probably just a little bit. Yes, yeah. And then what I would really love for you to do is like just take a walkthrough kind of this, like how everything is set up. I'm going to take it out of the more. I'm going to have you just like a half inch of her. Okay. Yeah, I love that. I love when you lean forward. That's amazing. And feel free to move around your hands. Try to find where you can feel this on your hair. Should I move it closer? I feel like it's too far. Is that help? Yeah, okay. So I don't want it to be like a super awkward. How about you turn your body a little bit? Sure. Yeah, I know. How about one of your hands to a little bit of like that? And you can like turn your head towards me now. Yeah, I love that. Love that. Close your eyes, look away. Oh, I love it. Okay, we'll probably need more. I love that one. Just so you guys look in the camera. Give me a smile, please. Yeah. Beautiful. I love that. Good job. Love that. Yeah, your hair flies even more. Yeah. That's so cute. I think these could be good. Like these would be definitely like cropped. But I would love to do something else in terms of clothes. I love that. Beautiful. Love that. Great. Back a little higher up. Yeah. This is always the best lighting for the kitchen. My eyes are watering because Frank's chopping up an onion, but we're making, so, you guys, this pimple on my nose is no joke. I think it's from my mask. But anyways, we're making chicken gnocchi soup, which I think is supposed to be what they have at Olive Garden. It has to be. So we're making this right now, so I'll definitely let you guys know how it turns out, but there's kind of a lot of ingredients. You need onion, carrot, celery, garlic, olive oil, rotisserie chicken, water, chicken bouillon cubes, the gnocchi, half and half, spinach, thyme, nutmeg, sugar, cold water, cornstarch, salt and pepper, and butter. So there's quite a lot of ingredients, but we're working on this now, so I'll let you guys know how it turns out. The recipe said that we would have 1 cup of broth, and we only have that. So, are they trying to say that entire thing was supposed to be filled up with broth?
Yes.
Anyways, and then the little bit that we did have, I spilled all over the counter. So, that's all we have. So, hopefully that doesn't really affect how this is going to taste, because that's us.
Basically, we're winning right now.
So now we're supposed to wait and bring this to a boil, and then we'll add all the other ingredients. And we just happen to have this one in the freezer, so I'm just gonna use the cauliflower gnocchi, but it says to use potato, but we have this, so I'm gonna use. I got this from Trader Joe's. I also got these. It's the closest thing to Olive Garden at the grocery store. So I just checked the recipe again, and it said only 1 pack of gnocchi, but I don't feel like that's enough compared to all the chicken that's in there and the vegetables and stuff. So I think if this turns out good, which fingers crossed because it's a lot of stuff we had to buy, I'm gonna get 2 packages of gnocchi next time, because this just doesn't seem like enough. But Frank's spilling. Turn it down.
It's fine.
Frank's stirring because I was freaking out while I was doing it.
It's fine.
Oh my god, we need a bigger pot.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
No, it's
I'm
not. When
controlling
I was stirring, it wasn't
I got
spilling.
it. It's fine. Yeah.
It's pretty spot on to Olive Garden.
I don't think I've ever even had Olive Garden. It's pretty good.
Honestly,
Are you gonna chill?
I don't really like the thyme that's in it. I think I'll leave that out next time. I don't really like that. It was really good though. You like it, Jaden?
Mm-hmm.
Say hi! Say hi, everybody! Say hi! Say hi, everybody! Hi, everybody! Here, can you show me your trick? Ready? Good job! So do you like it?
Mm-hmm. Here, hey. Thank you. Thank you. You're so nice. You're so nice. Thank you. Here. Come on. Peekaboo. She was in this house and didn't lock her.